Imagine extending a video beyond its original borders, without breaking the flow. That's video outpainting, and it's notoriously hard. Unlike image outpainting, videos must stay spatiotemporally coherent, meaning the same object, like a sailboat, must look consistent across frames, even as it moves into or out of view. Traditional methods rely on optical flow or short video clips, but they fail under motion, blur, or complex dynamics, especially when content appears in one frame but was visible earlier. Enter GlobalPaint, a diffusion-based framework that solves this with two key innovations. First, a hierarchical pipeline. Instead of processing the whole video at once, it picks key frames, outpaints them first with global consistency, then interpolates the in-between frames. This avoids error accumulation and keeps motion natural. Second, 3D window detention, a spatiotemporal module that captures joint spatial and temporal interactions across long ranges. Unlike standard 1D temporal layers, this expands the model's receptive field, letting it see the full scene context during keyframe completion. And here's the game changer: global feature guidance. The model extracts OpenCLIP features from all observed regions across every frame, compresses them into just 256 compact global tokens, and injects them into the denoising process via cross-attention. This gives the model a memory of the entire sequence, so it knows what the sail should look like, even if it only appears later. We tested on DAVIS and YouTube VOS. GlobalPaint achieves FVD of 227.8, 24% better than M3DDM, 20% better than MOTIA, while producing sharper, more consistent results with no flickering or distortions. It's faster too, fewer parameters, lower memory, and no test time fine-tuning. Unlike MOTIA, which takes over 4 minutes per video, GlobalPaint runs in seconds. Yes, it struggles with extreme motion or blur, but that's where future work comes in: better motion modeling, deblurring, and richer training data. In short, GlobalPaint combines global awareness, hierarchical design, and advanced spatiotemporal modeling to make video outpainting not just possible, but truly coherent.